watching this. Today I am going. Well, me, Jocelyn Estrada. I'm gonna be doing the whip and the nay nay and the and stinky leg and then broken leg. Okay. So ready, set, go. Now watch me whip. No. Restart that. Okay. Now ready, set, go. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay nay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay nay. Now I'm going to put you on the ground. So now you can see the stanky leg and broken leg. Now do the stanky leg. Now do the stanky leg. Stank. Now do the stanky leg. Stank. Do the stanky leg. Stank. Now do the stanky leg. Stank. Now do the broken legs. Now do the broken legs. Now break your legs. Now break your legs. Now break your legs. Now break your legs. This is all ruined, but I'll just still accept it and make a different video. Bye, YouTubers, or not actually YouTubers, because no one's going to be on YouTube watching this. So, hello, Jonathan, and if my mom sees this, maybe, and Peter, and Jeanette, and yeah, then you can see my feet, yay, okay. But yeah, that was a cool video. I liked it. Thumbs up. Bye. To Jonathan, Peter, my mom, Jeanette,